Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by backing up what matters, your home layout and any widgets so you can restore them later. Next, open Settings or long press the home screen to enter Wallpaper Edit mode. This is faster. Once done, check where the wallpaper came from: System Gallery, a live wallpaper, or a third-party app, because the removal method depends on that. Make sure to close any wallpaper app running in background so changes apply cleanly, and keep your device charged above 20%. You now remove the wallpaper itself. If it is a system image, select a default or choose a solid color to replace it immediately. If it is a live wallpaper, switch to a static one and uninstall or disable the live wallpaper app to stop animations and battery use. If a third-party launcher or app set the wallpaper, uninstall that app, then clear its cache and data. Once done, reopen Wallpaper Settings and pick the replacement to confirm the change. Finish by rebooting the phone so the new setting sticks across sessions. This also clears transient issues. Once done, verify lock screen and home screen individually because some devices use separate images. If the old wallpaper reappears, reset launcher settings or clear the system UI cache. You can also boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is restoring it. If problems continue, uninstall recent customization apps and then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.